Boeing is agreeing to plead guilty to a criminal fraud conspiracy charge as the result of two fatal 737 MAX crashes in 2018 and 2019 that killed 346 people. The deal has Boeing paying a fine of more than $243 million and investing at least $455 million to strengthen its compliance and safety programs over the next 3 years. Boeing has also agreed to a 3-year probationary period that will be independently overseen by the Federal District Court for the Northern District of Texas. Let's bring in Zach Wichter. He's a consumer travel reporter with USA Today. Zach, thanks for joining us. The charge is conspiracy to defraud the United States. What does that mean in the context of the MAX crashes?
Right. So in this case, what Boeing is saying is that they made false representations to the Federal Aviation Administration about a system that they put on the 737 MAX generation of aircraft. Basically, the big controversy here was that Boeing, in order to make training pilots for this new generation of 737 easier and cheaper, they installed a system that's become known as MCAS, the Maneuvering Characteristics Augmentation System, to help that plane handle like previous generations of the aircraft. But they didn't disclose to pilots that this system had been developed and installed, and it was ultimately implicated in 2 fatal crashes in 2018 and 2019.
What's the thinking behind this plea deal? Were prosecutors not confident they could get a conviction in this case?
You know, I can't say for sure what was in the prosecutor's mind, but certainly from Boeing's perspective, it helps them avoid a really contentious trial when they're already under a lot of scrutiny. And when it comes to prosecutors, you know, it could be that they just felt that it was clear-cut enough to move forward with this deal.
What about the families of the victims of the crashes? They've expressed they are not in favor of this deal. What recourse do they have, if any?
That's absolutely right. So my understanding is that the families of the victims from these 2 crashes are planning to appeal this decision. They're hoping that Boeing still faces trial. And it should also be noted that the plea deal that Boeing has entered into here doesn't actually shield it from possible further litigation down the line. And it also doesn't shield Boeing employees from personal litigation related to these incidents.
Wow, that seems significant to me. I want to ask you, as somebody who this is your beat, transportation and all things Boeing, what's your biggest takeaway from this plea deal?
Yeah, I mean, I think, you know, it's really important that Boeing acknowledges, and they have been acknowledging over the past few years, that they made a big mistake in the way that MCAS was developed and rolled out. And so I think that that's really important. It's also worth noting that this plea deal only covers behavior by Boeing prior to the 737 MAX crashes that we've been talking about. It doesn't actually touch any of the more recent incidents, including the Alaska Airlines door plug that blew out in January. And so Boeing, despite this plea deal, it's hardly going to be out from under the cloud that's been hanging over it. I think that the company still has a lot of work to do to repolish its reputation for the American traveler. And it remains to be seen how successful they are in doing that work. I think this is just one step, but they say that they're committed to improving their safety, and we'll see if the investments that they're making and the changes that they're putting into place actually help them reach those goals.
Zach Wichter, thanks so much for joining us.
Thanks for having me on.